Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever hit a roadblock while building your website on Wix, or you're scratching your head over a tricky technical problem, today's tutorial is definitely for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact process of contacting Wix support, also known as Wix customer service. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get help from the experts, whether you're stuck on design, payments, or any other part of your site. So let's dive right in and make sure you know how to reach out when you need help. First, go ahead and open up your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not there yet, just sign into your Wix account and head to the site you're working on. Having your editor open is important because it puts you right in the context of what you need help with. Sometimes, if you want specific support, being logged in ensures support can access any relevant info connected to your site. Now, look up at the top of your screen and find the Help option. It's usually tucked away at the top menu bar. Easy to miss if you're focused on your design work. Go ahead and click Help. This is your gateway to all things Wix assistance. I find it soothing to know that every major tool typically groups its support options up top, like an emergency exit in a movie theater, so you always know where to go when things feel confusing. After you've selected Help, you'll see a search bar or field. Here, type in Wix support. Nice and simple, then hit Enter. This step helps the system understand that you're looking for direct, live help, not just browsing through articles and tutorials. Typing Wix support narrows down the options so you don't get lost in a sea of FAQs. It's kind of like telling a librarian exactly what book you need, instead of roaming all the aisles. Once you've pressed Enter, there should be a hyperlinked text or button labeled Wix support, or something very similar. This is what you want to click. Hyperlinks here are your ticket to the quieter, one-on-one help instead of general guides. Click on that and you'll start getting more direct support options. If you don't see the hyperlink immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it's listed a bit lower on the page, so give yourself a moment to scan. Underneath that link, you'll notice there's a wealth of information offered below. Take a minute to glance through these details. They're often quick answers to the most common issues. For example, you might find tips about recovering your password, fixing design glitches, or managing your billing. Even if you're heading straight for the live chat, knowing these resources are there can save you time if you spot an answer that solves your problem instantly. Next, it's time to initiate a conversation with a real person. Click Start Chat. This brings up a live chat box, so you can type directly with a Wix support agent. Sometimes the system will ask a couple of initial questions to route you to the right team, so don't worry if you have to wait a few moments while they connect you. Finally, type out a clear description of your issue in the chat. The more specific you are, the better help you'll get, whether you're stuck trying to publish, struggling with a payment issue, or just looking for general advice. The support team is there to troubleshoot with you, and they're used to all sorts of questions, so don't hesitate to ask exactly what you need. If your problem is complicated, don't worry. Just explain it step by step and the agents will guide you through, just like I am now. And that's really it. Contacting Wix support is straightforward once you know where to look. With just a few clicks, you can talk to someone live and get moving again on your website project. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Wix questions, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover next. Make sure you subscribe for more website tips and tutorials. I'll see you soon.